Seno, 15,343,229. Number 6, Marcoleta Rodante Dizon, 15,250,723. Number 7, Lacson Panfilo Morena, 15,106,111. Number 8, Soto Vicente III Castelo, 14,832,996. Number 9, Cayetano Pilar Juliana Shram, 14,573,430. Number 10, Villar Camille Aguilar, 13,651,274. Number 11, Lapid Manuel Mercado, 13,394,102. Number 12, Marcos Maria Imelda Romualdez, 13,339,227. So ordered, signed, George Erwin Garcia, Chairman, and the rest of the Commissioners, Amy Ferolino, Ray E. Bulay, Ernesto Ferdinand P. Maceda Jr., Nelson J. Celis, Maria Norina Tangaro Casingal, Noli R. Pipo. Certification approved by the National Board of Canvassers on May 17, 2025, signed Consuelo B. Jola, Director 4, Office of the COMELEC Secretary. Maraming salamat po.
Assisting me, Your Honor, is the Clerk of the Commission, Director Genesis M. Gatdula, and Director John Rex Laujanco, the COMELEC spokesperson.
Noted.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and let's proceed to the formal proclamation of the newly elected senators of the 20th Congress of the Republic of the Philippines. May we request Commissioner Noli R. Pipo to read the proclamation certificate of Senator-elect Maria Imelda Romualdez Marcos.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. We, the Chairman and Commissioners of the Commission on Elections, sitting en banc as the National Board of Canvassers of the May 12, 2025 national and local elections, do hereby proclaim Maria Imelda Romualdez Marcos as Senator-elect to serve for a term of 6 years, ending on June 30, 2031, in accordance with Section 4, Article 6 of the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines, given the 17th day of May, 2025, in the city of Manila, Philippines. Signed, Chairman George Erwin Garcia, Commissioners Amy Ferolino, Ray Bulay, Ernesto Ferdinand Maceda Jr., Nelson Celis, Maria Norina Tangaro Casingal, and Noli R. Pipo, attested by Executive Director Teopisto E. Elnas Jr.
May we request the family and friends of Senator Marcos to come up the stage for a photo opportunity.
kanina. So, start na tayo. Number 12, si Senator-elect Amy Marcos. She got 13.3 million votes. At base doon sa nakuha ng ating GMA Integrated News Research, ay number 1 itong si Senator-elect Marcos sa 4 na probinsya, sa norte particularly, no? Apayao, Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, Cagayan. Number 1 siya sa Ilocos Region at number 11 sa Luzon at sa Mindanao.
Baluarte kasi talaga nila ang Ilocos Region.
Now,
So,
may we request
katatapos
Senator
lang ng
Marcos
photo
for a
opportunity
short message.
na ni Senator Marcos kasama yung kanyang pamilya. Nakita natin si former First Lady Imelda Marcos.
Sa mga ginagalang naming commissioner ng COMELEC, sa aking nanay na nasa siyam na 96 years old na, at kasama ng aking mga anak na kailanman hindi nagduda na ako'y mananalo. Kay Presidente Duterte, ang ating dating Pangulo, na Oktubre pa lamang, itinaas na ang aking kamay, at sa kanyang anak na hanggang sa huling sandali, si VP Inday Sara ay ako'y kinakampanya. Sa inyong lahat, ang tagumpay na ito, kahit gaano kailap at kahirap, ay isang katibayan na kapag ikaw ay nanindigan para sa tama, mananalo ka. Hindi nagmaliw ang paniniwala ko sa dunong ng sambayanang Pilipino. Nadama at alam nila ang ibig sabihin ng sakripisyo at prinsipyo, at gagawaran nila ito ng suporta at pagmamahal. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas! Ikinararangal kong maging ika-12 sa listahan, ang tumapos sa lahat na ito. Salamat sa inyong lahat.
Thank you very much, Senator Marcos. Now, may we request Commissioner Nelson J. Celis to read the proclamation certificate of Senator-elect Manuel Mercado Lapid.
Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. We, the chairman and commissioners of the Commission on Elections, sitting en banc as the National Board of Canvassers of the May 12, 2025 national and local elections, do hereby proclaim Manuel Mercado Lapid as Senator-elect to serve for a term of 6 years, ending on June 30, 2031, in accordance with Section 4, Article 6 of the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines. Given this 17th day of May 2025 in the city of Manila, Philippines. Signed, Chairman George Erwin Garcia and the 6 commissioners, Amy Ferolino, Ray Bulay, Ernesto Ferdinand Maceda Jr., Nelson Celis, Maria Nuria Tangaro Casingal, and Noli R. Pito. Attested by Chupisto Elnas Jr., Executive Director.